Hello, hello, D-Rock here. Welcome to the channel. Jen is with me.
Hey.
It is August 1st, and it is early in the morning before it gets to 100 degrees.
I think it's supposed to be 103 today.
Oh, that's fantastic. So, as you can see, it is early in the morning, and we are on a moto ride. I'm trying to get a ride in before it gets too sweltering. We're on a little loop we like to do. It's called, well, we call it just the Gunlock loop, huh?
Yeah.
We start out through Ivins, then pass through, as you see here, Gunlock State Park. Bit of a mud puddle right now, low water. It is what it is. Off in the distance, Square Top Mountain, Jackson Peak. We both bagged both those. They are adventures, and we got videos on them. And then we're gonna go up. We're gonna go up through some dirt roads by the Sand Cove Reservoirs, the Veyo Volcano. Is it Veyo Volcano?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then back up and then through Snow Canyon State Park. So we like this loop. It's got lots of twisties. We've got highway, we've got dirt roads, got some little fun spots in between. It's a good little loop.
Yeah, it's fun.
Roughly 50 miles or so. Hit it early in the morning. We go up top, it gets a little cooler. It's very nice. And then, yeah, makes for a pretty cool couple-hour ride, huh? We're about to put the motos in the shop to get service. New tires on mine. So we want to get a ride in before we drop those off for a week or so. So here we are. You ready to ride?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe. It really helps us out. Let's do this. You enjoying the ride so far, Jen?
Heck yeah.
This here is the upper Sand Cove Reservoir. You've caught quite a few fish in here, haven't you?
Yeah, it's not low either. Look at that.
No, you need to bring the canoes and drop them in, or the kayaks, I'm sorry. And then, just behind the little reservoir here is the Veyo Volcano. We got a video, went to the top of this. Pretty cool. Pretty fun little hike, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you want to go have a little fun real quick off to the side? All right. Well, we're no shredders by any means, but it's pretty fun, huh?
A little bit of fun.
Some little hills and loopy-loos. Ooh, it's getting hot now, isn't it?
It's getting warm. I don't think I can drink my water with my helmet on.
What? Oh, yeah, right. We're gonna have some water and granola bar or something, then continue on. And in case I didn't mention it, Jen's riding a Yamaha TW200 and I'm riding a Yamaha XT250. Fun little bikes. So we've been riding for what, a little over a year now? A little over a year now. And still skill building, of course. They're always skill building as far as we're concerned, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Still have lots to learn, but
I feel like I've come a long way.
oh yeah, absolutely. We both have. A couple wrecks, dropped some bikes. Not that that's the character builder, but it happens out here, you know. And then we go into parking lots and do practicing U-turns and figure eights and stuff like that. But this is a pretty cool loop because, like I mentioned earlier, it gives us time on the highway. One stretch we can go up to 65 and both bikes can get up to 65. We're definitely pushing at that point, but
Oh, yeah.
I've got my bike up to 70 miles per hour on that stretch. And the vibration's not too bad. How's the vibration on your bike when you're doing 65?
Fine. I've gotten up to 62 and man, I am really pushing it.
Yeah. And like I said, highway, then we've got the dirt, lots of turns and stuff like that. So it's a pretty good loop to do. And then we'll just cut through Snow Canyon. Nice scenic slow ride through there, huh? Yeah. All right, well, you ready to get back on it?
Let's do it.
All right. All right, ready for the highway?
I guess. That was so fun.
Yeah, that's a hoot right there, man. I love that section. So we're back to the main highway that's going to take us down to Snow Canyon, where we'll cut in. This stretch of highway, we got these little bikes maxed out, man. They're still doing, wait, 60?
60.
I can get to 70 on mine. It's pushing it, but the cars are still going right by us. So the first time we did it, it was pretty terrifying. I'm not gonna lie, on these little bikes, but it is what it is. Now we're pretty used to it. They can only go so fast on the highway, so that's kind of the cons of them. But you know, on little slower traffic, it's not bad at all. Like in the city and stuff like that, it's not bad. But you get out here pushing 65, well, it is what it is, right?
That's right.
Yeah. All right, well, let's go ride down to Snow Canyon. All right, there you have it. We're out of Snow Canyon, almost back to the main road, thus concluding the loop. Right, Jen?
That's right.
There you have it. Roughly 50 miles or so. Pretty chill. Highway, dirt, some hills. Good, clean fun, right?
I enjoy it every time.
Absolutely. Now it's about 10 o'clock. Starting to get hot. August, no bueno. We're out of here. Folks, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for sticking with us. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. It really helps us out. We'll see you next time. Stay safe out there. D-Rock out.
Jenno.
Adios.